AI, artificial intelligence. It's a term that almost everyone knows today, and thousands of people use AI tools every day. But here's the question: are they using AI the right way? When it comes to graphic design, AI isn't just about generating random images or logos. It's about working smarter, saving time, and boosting creativity. So, how can graphic designers use AI as a powerful tool in their workflow? Let's find out in this video. First, let's clear up a common misconception. AI is not a magic button that creates perfect designs. It's a tool. Just like Photoshop, Illustrator, or a camera, AI helps you work more efficiently. It can generate ideas, create images, automate repetitive tasks, and speed up your workflow. But creativity, strategy, and decision-making still come from the designer. 1. Use AI for creative ideas. One of the hardest parts of graphic design isn't creating the design. It's coming up with the idea. This is where AI can be incredibly helpful. Imagine a client asks you to design a logo for a modern fitness brand. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can ask ChatGPT, "Give me 20 creative logo concepts for a modern fitness brand." Within seconds, you'll have multiple directions to explore. You can also use AI to generate mood boards, color palette suggestions, typography ideas, and brand positioning concepts. Think of AI as your brainstorming partner. 2. Use AI to create visual assets. AI image generators like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, and ChatGPT can help you create unique visuals quickly. Need a futuristic office background, a luxury product scene, a fantasy landscape? AI can generate those concepts in seconds. But here's the key. Professional designers don't simply use AI-generated images as they are. They refine them, edit them, combine them with other elements, and make them fit the client's brand. AI creates the raw material. The designer turns it into a finished product. 3. Use AI to speed up your workflow. This is where AI saves the most time. Modern design tools now include AI-powered features such as background removal, object removal, generative fill, image expansion, automatic resizing, and smart retouching. Tasks that once took 30 minutes can now take just a few clicks. And when you save time, you can focus more on creativity and handle more projects. 4. Use AI for marketing and content design. Graphic design today is closely connected with content creation and marketing. AI can help you generate ad copy, social media captions, video scripts, thumbnail ideas, headlines, and content calendars. Instead of spending hours writing, you can generate a strong first draft in minutes. And focus on improving it, what AI can't do. Now let's talk about what AI cannot replace. AI doesn't understand your client's emotions. It doesn't truly understand brand strategy. It doesn't know market positioning, and it can't build strong relationships with clients. AI can generate options, but choosing the right solution requires human judgment, creativity, and experience. That's why great designers will always be valuable. So, how should graphic designers think about AI? Not as a competitor, but as a powerful assistant. The future belongs to designers who know how to combine creativity with technology. Learn AI, experiment with it, use it to eliminate repetitive work, and focus your energy on what humans do best: creative thinking and problem solving. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. How are you using AI in your design workflow? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.